Hi students, today I am going to discuss one more important named reaction in organic chemistry, that is Arbuzov reaction. So what is this Arbuzov reaction? It is used for the synthesis of pentavalent alkyl phosphoric acid ester. In simple, we can call them as phosphonate esters. So it is synthesis of pentavalent alkyl phosphoric acid ester from the starting materials, that is trivalent phosphoric acid ester and alkyl halides is known as Arbuzov reaction, and also it is known as Michaelis Arbuzov reaction. Before going to the general reaction, we need to know some important general features regarding this Arbuzov reaction. That is, first is it proceeds with primary alkyl halides. It proceeds with primary alkyl halides. The two mainly with iodides and bromides. So this is main important general feature, that is it proceeds with primary alkyl halides. If we treat with secondary alkyl halides, reaction may not happen. There are only few cases where secondary halides is going to react. But apart from this primary alkyl halides, other organic halides like benzyl halides, halogenated esters, acyl halides will also undergo Arbuzov reaction. If aryl halides and alkynyl halides are unreactive. Why aryl and alkynyl halides? Like aryl halides, the halogen directly attached to the benzene ring, and alkynyl halides, these will not show any reaction. Means they cannot be used in Arbuzov reaction. Why? Because these two, aryl halides and alkynyl halides, they will not undergo SN2 reaction, is not possible in this case. So they are unreactive. So these are the general features we need to remember in the case of Arbuzov reaction. Reaction of trivalent phosphoric acid ester. So if I take trialkyl phosphate, so this is trialkyl phosphate. So if this trialkyl phosphate reacts with alkyl halide that is it will undergo SN2 substitution reaction, and it is going to form pasponium salt. So this is the pasponium salt. It's unstable, and what it is going to do is, if it is heated, it leads to the formation of dialkyl pasponate, and here one alkyl halide will be the byproduct. This is pentavalent alkyl pasponic acid ester. So this is the first case, that is if we use trialkyl phosphate. So other variation is, if I take, instead of trialkyl phosphate, if I take this substrate, this trivalent pasponic acid ester, that is it is called pasponous acid ester. So if I take this pasponous acid ester, it is also trivalent. It will also undergo SN2 reaction with alkyl halide. Here also it is going to form similar intermediate pasponium salt, which upon heating leads to the formation of pentavalent pasponic acid ester, that is so this is known as pasponic acid ester, and there will be one alkyl halide will be lost as a byproduct. So this is in the case of pasponous acid ester. So third variation is nitric this trivalent pasponic acid ester. It is called paspinous acid ester. Here also the same case, upon treatment with alkyl halide, it will undergo SN2 substitution reaction, and it is going to form this pasponium salt intermediate, which undergo thermal decomposition from pentavalent phosphorus compound. So this is the pentavalent phosphorus compound, and it is called paspinoxide. So these are the different ways of getting pentavalent phosphoric acid ester. So all these are the general reaction for Arboso reaction. That is, if I take trialkyl phosphate, it will undergo SN2 substitution reaction with a primary alkyl halide. It is going to form pasponium salt. This salt is unstable. If it is heated, it is going to form dialkyl phosphonate. So this is pentavalent phosphoric acid ester. Suppose if I take phosphonous acid ester, it is also a trivalent phosphorus compound. If it is treated with alkyl halide, it is going to form phosphonium salt. It is also unstable. If it is heated, it will undergo decomposition and it is going to form phosphonic acid ester. And last is, if I take phosphonous acid ester, it will undergo reaction with alkyl halide. It is going to form phosphonium salt. Upon thermal decomposition, it is going to form phosphine oxide. Now we will see the mechanism of Arbuzov reaction. So in the first step, the lone pairs present on phosphorus atom reacts with primary alkyl halide. So this is primary alkyl halide. It will, whatever the lone pair present on this phosphorus, it is going to attack from the back side and this will be get eliminated. So it is simple SN2 substitution reaction and it is going to form phosphonium salt. So this phosphonium salt, if it is heated, what happens is so whatever the halide ion, it will undergo or it will attack R group and there will be second SN2 reaction takes place. Second SN2 reaction takes place, leads to the formation of pentavalent phosphonic acid. So this is regarding the mechanism of Arbuzov reaction. So we see what is the importance of this Arbuzov reaction is, so whatever the product we are going to get, that is pentavalent phosphoric acid ester, they are called phosphonates. They are of great importance in organic synthesis, in agriculture field and in chemical warfare. So in agriculture field, this organophosphoric acid esters finds wide application as insecticides. In case of chemical warfare, it is used in the nerve gases such as VX, sarin. And if you come for the organic synthesis, it is widely used in the preparation of stabilized phosphorus halide. That is, it is going to be used in Horner, Emmons, Wadsworth olefination. That is, in this we are going to synthesize alkene from carbonyl compound. By utilizing this phosphonate, that is, it is mainly used for the preparation of E-alkene. So stabilized phosphorus halide will give E-alkene. So that is the one of the important application of this Arbozo reaction, that is mainly phosphonates, because these phosphonates are highly reactive. When it is treated with base, they are going to produce ferrous halide. So this is somewhat stabilized phosphorus halides. So this phosphorus halide will react with carbonyl group and it is going to form corresponding alkenes. So this is the importance of that phosphonate, what we are going to synthesize from Arbozo reaction, that is in the synthesis of stabilized phosphorus halide, that will be used in the Horner-Emmons Wadsworth olefination, that is preparation of alkene, that too especially E-alkene from carbonyl compound. So this is regarding the Arbozo reaction and the application. Thank you.